Armagh County Museum is not just a treasure house, but is also a Grade A listed building beside the city's historic park, the Mall. Built as a school in the 1830s, it has been the home of the Armagh Natural History and Philosophical Society since 1856. It was from their Victorian collection of curiosities that Armagh County Museum developed as Ireland's first county museum in 1937. The collections are extensive, from art to archaeology and folk crafts to fashion. John Luke's painting, The Old Callan Bridge, is the jewel in the crown of the art collection. It depicts the 17th century bridge on the outskirts of the city and was commissioned by the museum in 1945, when the artist was living near Armagh city during the Second World War. Luke's colourful craftsmanship and technique harkens back to the Italian masters of the 1400s, who, like him, used the medium of tempera and followed meticulous rules of composition. Medieval Armagh was an important ecclesiastical centre and the heart of Ireland's learning and material riches. Therefore, it was a natural target for the Vikings and was raided 9 times between 832 and 919 AD. One of the rare pieces of physical evidence of Viking activity in the area is the Tynan hoard. This important collection of Viking silver artefacts was discovered on the Tynan estate 9 miles from Armagh city in 1861. The 20th century witnessed accelerating changes that transformed people's lives forever. This was especially true in rural communities where traditional folk crafts practiced for generations vanished virtually overnight. The skill of making harvest nuts and other household items from straw had all but vanished. But by collecting these rare and beautiful items, the Armagh County Museum has preserved examples that otherwise would have been lost forever. Visitors cannot help but be captivated by the costume collection, especially the Victorian dresses, which prove that the 19th century was a much more colourful period than we imagine. Many of the dresses were preserved for generations before being donated to the museum for everyone to enjoy. Find out more about Armagh County Museum online or on social media.